Hi, it's me again with Corel Raw Tips and Tricks, and I'm going to do a little video on the color eyedropper tool. That's pretty cool. Let's say you're going to make a color, and I'm going to hold down the control button. I'm going to add a little yellow, I'm going to add a little green, I'm going to add a little red, and I'm making a particular color. Let's add a little white, make it a little lighter, maybe a little lighter blue. So you've got a color that's not on your color palette, but you would like either the inside of this ellipse or the border to be that color. So get your color eyedropper tool, take a sample by left clicking your mouse, and when you drag it over here, you're going to see, I don't know if you can see that on your monitor, it's making like a hollow box. Well, that's going to make the outside that color. If we do it again, it turns into a solid box, and you can make the inside of that ellipse that color. I don't know that, I don't think zooming in is going to help. Maybe so. Maybe, let me get this box a little closer. Let me take away the color from that inside of that. So let's get the color eyedropper tool, get the sample. And it's kind of hard to see, but there it says no fill. It's like a circle with a line through it. There it's like an outline of a box. So if you left click your mouse, and if you left click your box, you can see it now as a solid color. So that's the color eyedropper tool. It's very, very handy, especially if you were doing multiple shapes and different sizes and you particularly made a color. You can put them all in there. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.